Hi, Steve with Cardiac Cycling. Going to talk today about loading gear for race day. This is everything I take with me on race day, and I put it all in my Zipp bag. See, it's got a bottom compartment here, and then here's the insides. So let's get it loaded. All right, so the Zipp gear bag has a bottom compartment that is for wet gear, so that's where I put my rain gear. Put all that in the bottom, and along with that I also put a couple of musettes. Even though I don't do road races anymore, I still carry them. I don't know why, but I do. That's it for the bottom. Has a nice little zipper that zips all the way around. One from the left, one from the right as well. Here we go. And it has a perforated panel on each end, as well as a couple of perforated grommets on the side. So anything you put in there wet should be okay. All right, next I put in my kits. So I have several kits, couple from earlier years that are light in color. One's thermal and one is not. And then the same here, I have kits from various years, some thermal, some are non-thermal, and some long sleeve, some short sleeve. So that's why all the kits. And then here I have my great Volet undershirt, thermal. I can wear it with a long sleeve kit that does not have any thermal, so I can use it for the spring and the summer. Excuse me, the spring, so I can use it for the spring and the winter. Then head covers, arm warmers, leg and knee warmers all go in here. Then we have jacket, which I wear before the races. Changing cover, which goes in kind of next to last because I change into my clothes when I get there. And then here I have a fishnet. This is a bag for washing clothes in, so I put all my dirties in here at the end of the race, and we go for broke. That is it in terms of what goes in the center of the bag. And we've got a couple of zippers, one of which is being a bit stubborn here, and that's probably because I have the handle tucked inside the bag. Not a good thing. Voila, there we go. And then if I'm going to use a road helmet, the road helmet goes right inside here, nice and roomy, has a little clip. Voila. But for time trials, I have the traditional long time trial helmet. Gloves, I put all my gloves on one end, so here they all are. And these are winter as well as cool, warm season gloves. Bingo. And then over here is where I put my foot covers. So I have heavy duty as well as foot covers for time trial. Put those in there. And then my shoes. So shoes can go in here a lot of ways. I put my shoes in this direction, and I never zip this compartment completely closed because I want to make sure, I mean, it's a habit for me now, and it's a great habit to have after a race. I have a couple compartments here, so this is my chamois cream or anti-chafe. Here I have an extra heart rate strap, which I carry in the bag, and I have another compartment over here on this side, actually a couple of these fishnet And I use this in the wintertime for the heart rate monitor. It's what is used for electrocardiogram machines, not EKGs. Anyway, a TENS unit, those types of deals. It is an electrode gel, so it's a great thing to use in the wintertime when your body can't generate perspiration quickly and easily. This will keep your heart rate monitor in contact. And then this, I bought this at a drugstore. You got it, it's a urinal. It never fails. I almost always need to relieve myself before the race or en route, and there's never a restroom when you need one. So that's it. That's how we go to the races. Just like this. Everything you need in one great case. Thanks to the folks at Zipp for creating this. If you enjoy what you see on this channel, please click the subscribe button.